Hello everyone, welcome to Chadani Solution. So in this video I am going to learn, let's learn how to export or save your artboard files. So if you want to select save a specific artboard, for example this one, artboard 1 and artboard 3. So just hit control to select for example artboard 1 number 2. I am hitting the control, holding the control while selecting what artboard you would like to export. So right here I would like to export the artboard 1 and artboard 2. Then after that, control A to select both. Then go to file, export artboard to files. So select the folder and then okay, so run. Let's check. See, as you can see, we have two folders, two PSD files. So that's it. So if you also would like to export all, so no need to hit Control A and Control. So just go to File and then. So I will remove this first. And then oh sorry, cancel, exit. So select the file, run. So that's it. So let's check. So see, we have 3 artboards. So that's it. Thank you so much. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.